A very good evening to you. This is your Financial Week. I'm Dwayne Burbick. President and CEO of the Victoria Mutual Group, Courtney Campbell, says the entity will be taking steps in the year ahead to reposition itself to dominate the mortgage market. While not providing details, Mr. Campbell says as part of the change, VM's board has already approved proposals to approach the Bank of Jamaica for a change in the rules under which the building society operates.
These proposed new rules will facilitate the introduction of new products as we modernize VM, give us greater flexibility to raise capital, and enable us to further improve our operational efficiency. This is the first such comprehensive review of our rules in 30 years.
He said the new proposals will be put to the company's members at the next annual general meeting later this year. Accompanying the change to the rules of how its building society operates will be an upgrading of its branches and an improved online interaction. Mr. Campbell says the change will also affect its pension arm, Prime Asset Management, which will get a name change to VM Pensions Management.
So look out for a greater retail push from VM Pensions Management in the years ahead as we take our superior pensions expertise to the self-employed, to the professionals, and to the small business persons of Jamaica.
The price of oil settled at its highest level in a month in trading today. Oil for delivery in June tacked on 98 cents or 2% to settle at $50.33 a barrel. The settlement was the highest since April 19. Currency trading ended with the US dollar selling for $130.48. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $96.85. The pound costs $169.26, while the euro now goes for $146.50. And stock trading ended today with the main JC market index down more than 226 points, while the junior market index gained more than 13. The winners of the day included Access Financial, Carb Cement, the Siboney Group, Jetcon, NCB Financial Group, and Supreme Ventures. On the losing end were Berger Paints, ISP Finance, the KLE Group, Lasco Distributors, Radio Jamaica, and T-Tech. And that's your Financial Week. I'm Dwayne Burbick. Do have a great weekend.